Africa Twin. Second day riding it. Picked it up yesterday from an owner through RiderShare. Anyways, pretty happy I rented this Africa Twin. One of the reasons why I picked this up is just look at it. It's such a striking looking bike. I think that color combination is the best looking adventure bike in the market. I hope it doesn't rain today. But so far, you know, in this loose gravel crap and also the semi-wet roads, it's handling pretty good. I could feel the traction control and the ABS, you know, not too invasive, but definitely I'm glad it's on there. Gonna probably do some acceleration tests now and see where this goes. Well, I'll say this, it's a big bike and a tall bike, especially if you're used to like dual sports. I'm coming from a WR250R. That's a tall bike, but at least it's light. And if, you know, it's a little bit more manageable when I'm kind of doing this. Now the sound on this Africa Twin, it's kind of muted. You can hear the throatiness of it, but it is not obnoxious. At my favorite acceleration test, gonna test the DCT. Here goes. Traction control kicked in. That was weird. Traction control kicked in. I think it was because it was wet out, but let me try that again. Yeah, that's got some giddy up. Good smooth power. Down low, even in the middle there. But compared to the GS, it's not at that level, but it is still pretty respectable. I'm a bit hesitant with this slick road, but there's definitely power underneath. Maybe I'll test it on the highway now. Yeah, I'm noticing the shield up front, I guess, is doing its job from protecting me from the wind at my chest area, but I do feel wind going up the top of my head. On my shoulders, really. Also my shins. Man, wet and cold today. I should have wore my thermal underwear. Alright, let's give some juice. I gotta hand it to Honda. They've engineered a pretty good large CC adventure bike. But the wind buffering is getting to be a little bit annoying. Against this truck, I don't feel too much wind resistance, but that's a good thing. Because it's a tall bike, you can definitely see over traffic. It does feel pretty good on the highway, but no cruise control is going to be a problem for me, especially today. It is wet and kind of cold. Oh, now I'm in the thick. What's up with that? Gotta love it. This is good stuff. Rural roads are a lot more fun than the highway. Alright, I think Carnegie's around the corner. I feel like a big old behemoth in this place. Yeah, standing up feels pretty good. Alright, here's a few whoops. I'll try with the Honda Africa Twin. Oh yeah. Good stuff. Big adventure bike in the dirt. I don't know, compared to some of these dirt bikes, it's like a big guy in a little coat maybe. Handles pretty good. Feels just like a heavy dirt bike, really. Gonna go up. Whoa. Having a big adventure bike in the chop here is very challenging. But I am noticing the suspension on this Africa Twin is pretty soft. It's hitting mine a little harder. Thanks, bro.
Have a good one, bro.
Take care, man. Yeah, I dumped it. I dumped the Africa Twin here. Thankfully, there's some guys there helping me out. Pick it up. This is a big, heavy bike. Ah, it's freaking crowded here. Big guy in a little coat. Nice and foggy today, this morning. I'm going to return the Honda Africa Twin. I enjoyed my time with it this weekend. Took it on the dirt, did some twisties, took it on the highway. If you're looking to get into a bigger adventure bike, you should test out these bikes. One way to test out a variety of bikes is renting it, and I've used RiderShare for the past 2 rentals with some amount of success. Oh, by the way, it does have heated grips. I'm going to turn that on right now. There we go. It is a pretty high bike and a little top heavy at 555 pounds plus. But this Africa Twin, definitely impressive. The DCT, you know, it is kind of cool. I think my parting thoughts on this is, if you're a taller rider and you want to have a bike that's capable on street and dirt, you definitely should look into this. I'm going to look for more bikes to potentially test as I rent in the future. But I'm glad I rented this sexy looking Honda Africa Twin. Good stuff.